using foam impression box, semi-weight bearing. Start by placing the account number and the patient name on the inside of the box. Draw a line in the foam, approximately 1/2 to 1 inch from the cardboard to ensure adequate room for the patient's foot. With the patient seated, position the foot in the foam with the heel at the line. Have the patient start to apply pressure down into the foam, starting with the heel area first, while gently applying a small amount of pressure to the top of the patient's knee. Your pressure is more for guidance. Start to apply a small amount of pressure to the midsection on the foot, while the patient is continuing to press into the foam box. Be sure to capture the toes by adding a small amount of pressure to dorsum of the forefoot, ideally level with the heel. Raise the foot completely out of the box, heel first if possible. Inspect the foam to ensure a good representation of the heel, the arch, and the forefoot.